Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to allow only specific people to add you to groups and channels on Telegram web using the latest update. If you're tired of random invites or spam groups, this setting gives you full control over who can include you. First, open Telegram web on your PC using your browser. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you'll find all your account options. From here, click on Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and select Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram lets you customize who can interact with you and how your account is protected. Now scroll until you find the option labeled Who Can Add Me, and click on it. By default, this might be set to Everybody or My Contacts, but to fully control access, choose Nobody. This means no one can add you to groups or channels unless you specifically allow them. Right after selecting Nobody, you'll see an option called Always Allow. Click on that. This is where you can manually choose the people who are allowed to add you. Select the users you trust. These could be close friends, family members, or colleagues. Once you've selected the users, confirm the step to save your changes. And that's it. From now on, only the people you selected will be able to add you to groups or channels, giving you a much cleaner and more private Telegram experience.